Solving for molarity. Molarity is a comparison of the ratio of moles of the solute divided by the liters of solvent that the solute is being dissolved in. The equation can be written as M equals moles divided by liters. It can be rearranged to solve for moles by taking molarity times the liters, or it can be further rearranged to solve for liters by taking the moles and dividing by the molarity. So if we wanted to solve for 25 grams of sodium chloride being dissolved in a 150 milliliters solution, find the molarity of this solution. Well, what we need to do is first change the grams of sodium chloride to moles. We're going to do this first by making sure we have the correct formula for sodium chloride. Na is a positive 1 ion, chlorine is a negative 1 ion, giving us a formula of NaCl. And we will then find the molar mass of sodium chloride. Sodium is 22.99, chlorine is 35.45, giving us a molar mass of 58.44. Therefore, if we take the 25 grams of sodium chloride, multiply them by the mole ratio of 1 mole over 58.44 grams, we get 0.43 moles of sodium chloride. Now we can calculate the molarity. We do this first by taking the molarity equals moles over liters equation. We identify each of the knowns and unknowns. So in this case, we are searching for molarity. So the question mark goes with the capital M for molarity. 0.43 is the mole value that we just calculated. And we need liters, so we're going to take the 150 milliliters, divide it by 1,000, which actually moves the decimal 3 to the left and gives us 0.15 liters. We can now plug those values into the equation. M equals 0.43 moles. Divide that by the 0.15 liters, and we get a molarity of 2.8 molar. If we were asked to find how many grams of calcium chloride are there in a 1.5 liter solution that has a molarity of 2.5 molar, we first begin by finding the moles in the solution. So again, we identify the equation we are going to use, moles equals molarity times liters. Identify our knowns and unknowns. In this case, we're going to first find moles. That is our question mark. Our molarity is 2.5 molar, and our liters is 1.5 liters. Using the equation, how many moles are there equal to 2.5 molar times 1.5 liters, and we get a value of 3.75 moles. Now we are going to convert the moles to grams. So first we're going to look for the correct formula for calcium chloride, calcium being a +2 ion, chlorine being a -1 ion. That gives us a formula of CaCl2. From that, we calculate the gram mass or molar mass of calcium chloride. Calcium is 40.08. Chlorine, which is 35.45, we multiply that by 2 and get 70.90, which gives us a molar mass of 110.98. To convert the 3.75 moles of calcium chloride to grams, we then multiply by 110.98 grams of calcium chloride, which is the molar mass. Divide that by the 1 mole to cancel the moles, and we get an answer of 416.18 grams of calcium chloride in the 1.5 liter solution in order to have a 2.5 molar solution.